YouTube TV finally delivers on its promise of surround sound. Started rolling out on Android TV, Google TV, and Roku devices. Obviously, this is for like a living room setup. The surround sound's not going to work so well on the mobile, right? It's funny, they're showing a phone there. Up until now, I presume you've just been, like 2.1? Google's finally delivered on the promise of surround sound for YouTube TV. Subscribers have been waiting a long time for the ability to materialize this ability. Back in March, Google detailed the status of YouTube TV surround sound after promising it the year prior. The audio ability was merely in the testing stage. Last week, the official YouTube TV account tweeted that it would be rolling out 5.1 surround sound across Google TV, Android TV, and Roku devices. As long as your device and setup meet the requirements, you'll automatically get 5.1 audio whenever it's available for the program that you're watching. The 5.1 surround sound ability requires the YouTube TV app to be installed on your device, though the app must be running Cobalt version 20 or higher. Select Samsung, LG, and Vizio TVs with Cobalt 20 or above are compatible, and you compare them with a traditional Chromecast, Android TV, Google TV device, or Roku device. I guess for 5.1, like you have to have a sound bar connected to it, probably to the digital output on the TV, which is going to do the decoding, send it to the device that's capable of delivering it. But still, if this is your primary entertainment source in your entertainment setup, then that's a touch that you're going to want. You're going to want sound. You're going to want. Wrong with that. You're going to want it.